Now in Jamshedpur, the Assam Chief Minister and the BJP's election co-in-charge of Jharkhand, Himanta Biswa Sarma, has stated that he has observed that intruders have taken over tribal land in Gayabatan in Pakur. Despite a 2015 court order to return the land to the tribals, the administration took no action, is what he said. He says that politics will continue and the governments will change, but it is the duty of all parties to protect the state. He further urged Hemant Soren of Jharkhand not to ignore the issue of the intruders and the demographic invasion. He said that if ignored in 30 years, intruders will dominate and the Jharkhand Chief Minister will be forced to surrender.
गायबाठान गया, वहाँ में मैंने देखा घुसपैठियों ने हमारा आदिवासी लोगों का जमीन कब्जा करके बैठा हुआ है। 2015 में ही कोर्ट का आदेश हुआ कि आदिवासी को जमीन लौटा दो, प्रशासन कुछ नहीं कर रहा। मेरा इतना ही निवेदन है कि राजनीति चलेगा, राजनीति रहेगा, चलेगा, सरकार आएगा जाएगा, लेकिन ये प्रदेश को बचाने का जिम्मेदारी सब पार्टियों का है। मैं हेमंत सोरेन जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि घुसपैठी का जो मुद्दा है, डेमोग्राफिक इन्वेजन का जो मुद्दा है, आप इसको नज़रअंदाज मत कीजिए। अगर आप इसको नज़रअंदाज करते हैं, मेरा बात मान लीजिए, 30 साल का बाद झारखंड का कोई मुख्यमंत्री घुसपैठियों बैठेगा हॉल में और झारखंड का जो मुख्यमंत्री है वो घुसपैठियों का सामने सरेंडर करके हाथ उठा के बैठे रहेगा।
आपकी सरकार
All right, so Nibir on the telecast with me. Nibir Dekha, give us details. Now, this is directly, linking to the NRC and the CAA issue. It was Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam Chief Minister, who had implemented the NRC amidst a lot of criticism that came in from various political parties. And now he's talking about how there are infiltrators who are entering into Jharkhand and taking over the land of the tribals.
Indeed, he is trying to draw parallels between Assam and Jharkhand as far as the issue of illegal immigration is concerned. Remember, Assam, being a border state with Bangladesh, has seen the issue of illegal immigration, and that is what the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma is trying to say here, that the same issue has also been witnessed in Jharkhand, wherein intruders, which we allege, are trying to get land in tribal areas, and he has also requested the Jharkhand Chief Minister to take stock of the matter of influx that has been witnessed in Jharkhand. And further, he has also invited the journalists to visit Assam from Jharkhand to get a sense of the situation of how the issue of influx can affect the demography of the state. So these are some of the parallels that Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has drawn between Assam and Jharkhand as far as the issue of influx and illegal immigration is concerned. Back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.